Which key is used to save a file quickly? A. Ctrl plus S. B. Ctrl plus P. C. Ctrl plus O. Answer. A. Ctrl plus S. Which key move the cursor to the next line? A. Shift. B. Enter. C. Tab. Answer. B. Enter. Which key is used to open a new tab in a browser? A. Ctrl plus N. B. Ctrl plus T. C. Ctrl plus W. Answer. B. Ctrl plus T.